You get to our homepage and it'll take some time. See, the magic bike is here.
Already there.
So it's already there. It's got added now.
So
So you can.
Congratulations, Murli sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you, Ma'am Bhuji. Thank you, Lavanya. Thank you all.
And the other book covers.
As a monitor, I would have given, but yeah, technology is not so.
So you can go to ekapress.org and you have a link here called books. If you click on books, you see all our books, and right here, Magic Bike is here. And where else? So here are the 3 books that were published today: Transition, Cigarette, Sex and Love by Lavanya, and my book, Data Science and Machine Learning. So all 3 are available on these books. Of course, this is just a cover page. If you click it, you won't get any information. You have to wait for the book launch, and then you get more information about the book.
I was wondering how you got the book without myself completing it, sir.
This is what I was doing when we were presenting. I was trying to add all this.
Piracy is so strong that readers see the book before the author completes writing the book.
Technology.
So this is other book of Murli sir, Bubbles Burst. So it's also here. And this was
You can even buy the book from here, right?
Oh yes. So if you go to our shop, you click here and you say add to cart, and
check it out.
You can buy it from here.
And it's probably also available on
Amazon and Flipkart. Yes, Amazon, Flipkart. It's all available.
And here you will even on this site, even the paperback.
Yes.
Paperback is available.
Yes.
Not electronic version, right?
So paperback is available. So this is the Eka Publisher website. So so it's showing all the details before you buy, so you know whom to call if in case of any problem. So information comes to me, and you can pay through 2 options: credit card, PayPal. So there's no other options like UPI or wallet. Only credit card and PayPal is available.
The credit card is more than enough.
Yeah.
Okay, so how many minutes is I think it's available now?
It's available. It's already up and ready.
Start with
It's
the
available.
moderation.
Oh yes.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Murli sir, once again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So now I'll hand over the presentation to Smriti. So we have Smriti, we have Mugilan and Radhana, right? So Mugilan and Radhana will have their feedback on the book. So it's over to you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Swapnil. Hello, sir. Congratulations on your book launch.
Thanks.
So the first thing that came to my mind when I looked at the book was before this you had a virus on your book, and now you have a child and a bike. So my question is, I have interacted with you on the group chats and also I was just wondering, why did you pick a children's book this time?
Oh, okay. Okay, I'll try to be as brief as possible. I don't know how much time is left. Okay. We want our kids. I mean, kid means the next generation to become readers, and we want them to be writers if possible. Some of them may become writers. So then we must inculcate reading in them.
Yes.
We must come up with books for them. So that is why. And this is actually my second book for children. The first book was something like 3 to 4 years earlier. So then that was for girls actually. It was intended for girls actually. And then now, of course, this is not the time to refer to that. But just I'm telling, this is the second one. So this has got a particular thing. As the question and answer session progresses, I will tell. So why I wrote this, and so we must inculcate, means many authors must come forward with at least 1 or 2 titles for kids.
Yes, sir. So where did the inspiration for this book come? How did you get the idea of the magic bike?
Actually, I sometime back recently, you might also come across in Andhra or Telangana. Or I also come across in Tamil Nadu many news where even very good children of good families or average families, they have done some mistakes for getting a magic for getting a smartphone, or they have stolen, or something has happened, or something has happened wrong with a smartphone because a kid used it unknowingly. Like that, there are so many news items and all that. It is not easy for a parent to discuss anything with a child. As a father, I know, almost impossible. We can't even open it. So books are one of the ways in which a child can reach. Of course, I won't say that this book will be read by how many people, but still, a book can open a conversation with them. If the book is available and the child is able to read it, and all the books we have got are like fables or Tenali Raman stories or these are fables. This book is out about a very current topic. Can a child use smartphone without parental guidance? If the child uses, what will happen? And it is telling it lucidly.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I
it's
want to take a current topic, which will be addressed, which has to be addressed.
yes, sir. I agree with you. So normally I've heard people say, and even for myself, trying to write something for a child, it's difficult. How did you go about writing this book and writing different chapters around this?
Yeah, as I told you that the main theme is there, that I am going to write the children how to. It's not preaching. It is allowing them to think. At the end of the book, it is open for the child to think. I am not preaching anywhere, but still, taking this difficult theme, but it has to be given with a lot of magic. The child. This is meant for 8-year to 12 to 13-year-old children.
Yes.
Boy or girl, not more than that. Preferably between 8 and 13, they will find it attractive. So when you take up magic things and all that, copyright issues will come. Certainly it will come, because there is nothing people have imagined in Cartoon Network or in any other series or anything. So I went for Hindu mythology safely. So once that magic part is ready with me, I could scheme the chapters easily.
Okay, sir.
To ensure that nobody can question me, because I am using Indian and Hindu mythology, and I am sticking to it. So nobody can come with copyright.
Yes, sir. So at this point, I would like to invite Mugilan to, just give his thoughts
Thank you.
about the book.
Yes. I thank him for and Ganga Devi ma'am.
Hello, Mugilan. You'll have to unmute yourself. Yeah, over to you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mugilan from Singapore. So, from reading the book and the manuscript, I felt like a touch of the Indian tradition to the book. I felt like I had traveled back in time, to the olden days where magic was possible. So, some parts of the story made me interested in having a magic bike, just like the one in the story. Secondly, I think the book stands out because it is not over-imaginative like other fantasy stories. Even though I like to read non-fiction more, the story tempts me to read more fictional books. The author has an interesting plot through show not tell and builds curiosity and excitement. Thirdly, the most interesting part of the story was when the bicycle was introduced. Now, I wish to read a part of the story on page 5. Okay, the part is, Karthik was stunned when he went to the beach and sat down. The bicycle became smaller to match his height when seated and started to tell Karthik how it got magical powers. So this part, it is a twist to the whole story and how the bicycle got its magical powers. So I was expecting that the story would normally go without telling about the magical powers, but then the story had a reasoning behind the magical powers. So after that part, do you remember a Lord Muruga temple on Hillock near Chennai that you visited. This part doesn't reveal the whole story in one sentence, but then has some key points. So the reader can be the reader wants to read more of the story. So I think this is very good. Yeah. So after this, I like the bicycle character in the story because he can do unimaginable tasks and also has a relationship with the gods. So it's kind of something that like my grandmother would tell me, some kind of story like that. But it also brings into a fantasy story written by an author. The character of the bicycle was something to be speculated, and it's the character that lured me into reading the book. I think the children will like the book as it has many twists in the story. The rhetorical questions in the story also added fuel to the fire, such as will Karthik get a new mobile phone? There are many of these questions which I didn't expect, and I also have tips for my compo also. It's very nice. The story is also very nice. I think the children will like the book, and the children will definitely love the story. Fourthly, the illustrations done by Miss Jayanti was very detailed. I definitely have to appreciate the grace work of Miss Jayanti. Lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Modali for giving me this great chance to participate in this event. This is the first time I'm participating in a book review in my life. Thank you.
Thank you, Mugilan. We are very happy to have you here.
Thank you.
Actually, before you shoot your next question, I must elaborate on what Mugilan told. I must have mentioned it earlier. Thanks for his mentioning it. The wonderful wrapper and the illustrations have been done by Jayanti Shankar.
Wow.
And she has been kind to join today with all her work schedules. I was stranded I was not able to proceed with the book, and she knew that I had returned the book, and she asked me what happened. Then I told her I'm not able to get the illustrations done. Then she was very kind to spend her invaluable time and help me. So both the wrapper and the illustrations. I thank her very much.
Jayanti Shankar, do you have some comments for us? We really love the illustrations as well. So, would you just give us a few thoughts on how you went about, doing these illustrations?
Hi everyone. I hope you can listen to me. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yeah, we are able to hear.
Good evening, everyone. Mugilan has done a very good job for the first time, right? And going to the illustrations, like he said, like the author said, he was not able to get an illustrator. For me, I was never familiar with children illustration, so I was very doubtful, but with a little more expense in the sense from what he paid me, if he could have increased his expenses a little, he would have gotten a very fantastic illustrator. But nevertheless, I got an opportunity, to try something which I was not familiar with. So I was able to learn from it, experimenting, and he loved it. Yeah, he said he's using it. So I went about laying out the page, as well as doing the simple wrapper. That wrapper even Mugilan would have done. I know that. It's not anything fantastic, but simple and nice. Yes. I learned from it. I learned from this illustration process. Thank you for the opportunity, Mr. Muralidharan. Thank you so much.
Welcome, and I thank you once again.
Thank you.
It is beautiful. It's simple and yet elegant. So we love the illustrations.
Thank you.
All right. So, Murli sir, the next question is for you. As you mentioned, right? that you wanted, like, there are stories, moral stories for kids, but they are little old. You wanted something to be very contemporary, something really that
Yeah, yeah.
works for this generation. So I just wanted to know, how long did you take to come up with this idea, and how did you do research? Did you talk to some people? So how did you come about doing that research?
Actually, the I research actually. This I won't boast that I did any research and all that. No, it didn't require any research. Actually, it actually required feedback. I must thank Mugilan, and one more boy is there, but the timing is in USA it is early morning. He's actually that boy also helped. Both of them helped me. Actually, whether it is really readable and relatable. Okay, coming back to your main question, I had actually sketched scripted a book only full of magical things, nothing, no preaching, nothing, full of having a kind of joyous reading only. And I had done part of the chapters and left it there because the publisher side was there was no uncertainty about publisher, and it was 2 years gap was there. And another publisher, not Swapnil, another publisher told he is thinking. Actually, he is my publisher in Tamil. He told I am going to come up with children's book. Can you write? Later on, we didn't take it forward. That's a different thing. But I completed the book. So after the gap of 2 years, so first part of it was 15 days. After the gap of 2 years, it was another 15 days only. Once I am able to scheme the main theme and plot, I can write very fast.
Yes.
Totally 1 month I can say.
So my next question for you is, Swapnil did give us a short introduction about you, and you did tell us, what you write. So I just want to hear from you for everybody here. Which other genres do you write in, sir?
Oh, actually, yeah. So then I have to, if I have to be brief, I have to, okay, I'll try to be brief actually because it is a 22 decades story, and my starting or my major portion so far is in Tamil only. Wrote in Tamil several novels, poetry, non-fiction and fiction. That is novels and short story collections and poetry I have done, and many reviews in Tamil also. But later on, when I started working for translation, I started working bilingually. Particularly, Shashi Tharoor's book was the, everybody has got some jokes also about Shashi Tharoor's English. It's a very, very classical English and very difficult English. So once I did it from English to Tamil, and I had some other opportunities to do from Tamil to English, some other book. So that gave me the confidence, and actually Hydra encouraged me with publishing in the Biryani at my story Shoulders. By the time I had started writing in English, but I was sending among others to Hydra also, and their encouragement was there, and several others are now published in their anthologies. So actually I am okay, coming to contemporary things. Now I am an author in English. I have completed one novel, one non-fiction, one children's book, and a short story collection. And novel and short story collections are in advanced stages of editing. As our memoirs are correctly put, I don't know whether the younger people who are listening, editing, that is the most important thing that is going on. I'm not complacent yet. So again and again editing is being done. So those will be released. That will be later. Till I'm satisfied, I'm not going to. So in short, I am now working on all genres, but to complete or to conclude, I will settle down as an adult, writer for adults only. But I can't leave out children, so I came up with this one. Someone has to write for contemporary issues on children. This book touches what is sexual abuse, what is violence. This book touches in 1 or 2 pages. In a way, a child can understand and relate within those language limits. So these things have to be told nowadays. So many wrong things are happening. That's why.
Yes, sir. Just listening to how much you work, I'm just wondering, how does your normal writing, a typical writing day look like?
Actually, I was like the other 3 authors. Mehboob ji, Lavanya, or Swapnil, stealing time here and there, writing and all that. But for the past 2 years, I have taken retirement, so time is at my disposal. But mostly I write during daytime. Late nights I don't write. But early in the mornings and early or mornings I use for the thought process reading. I don't write in the morning, but I write in the daytime and almost after 10 or 11 in the evening.
All right, sir. Now I invite Aradhana to read a few, sentences from the book for us to review the book. Do we have Aradhana on the call?
Good evening, sir and madam. I am Aradhana from Achirapakam, Tamil Nadu. I feel very pleased to reveal my feedback for such a honorable author. The Magic Bike is an informative story and makes me much excited. I am very much interested to read this book because my parents resemble same as Karthik parents. This story reveals a fact that children shine more in future because of their parents' care on them. Social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter are not because if it is used for meaningful and appropriate purpose. I feel that in this present situation, especially during Corona lockdown, children are more addicted on mobile phones. This book removes us from mobile addiction. I feel relaxed while reading this book and eagerly waiting for part 2 of the Magic Bike. The language style seems to be very easy to catch. Key point of the story is survival of the fittest, self-help, self-learning, self-motivation, etc. In the story, Karthik is a smart boy whose parents want him to participate in an essay contest. But they are also keen that Karthik should take the effort by himself. Even his friends, the Magic Bicycle, offer only indirect help to achieve his goal of collection the required date. It also gives very much importance to the moral value of life. Karthik is advised that the mystic powers should not be misused. Hereby I offer my sincere thanks to the organizers of this program and also the writer Mr. P. Muralidharan sir. Thank you once again, sir and madam.
Thank you so much. Very cute. Actually, Smriti, I'll take 1 minute to introduce. Mugilan's mother, Ganga Devi Subramanian, is a journalist. She is an assistant editor in leading Tamil newspaper. Aradhana's father, Thanigavel sir, is a teacher. He is a PG teacher for physics in Greater Chennai. That is in the outskirts of Chennai, and he has successfully coached NEET coaching to many rural boys, and he has done a wonderful service. And I thank him for making the child read, and thank the child for her review.
Thank you, sir.
It's really nice to have children here and giving us review on the children book. It's really nice to have you both here. Thank you, Mugilan. Thank you, Aradhana. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
So let's go back to questions. People, if you have any questions, you can type it in the chat box. So, sir, we have two children who are reviewing a book that you have written, right? A children's book. It must feel really, you must feel really proud about it. So I just wanted to know, what would success mean to you? What would be what do you think, when would you think you would be a successful, writer?
Broadly, what does success means to me? Okay. Then I'll give my view only. It is I'm not at any time I'm not preaching to anybody anything. I'm I'm just sharing my views. Success means my sense of satisfaction. In my, it is my sense of satisfaction is success for me. My sense of satisfaction in unleashing the potential in me. So, to the extent I am able to uh, bring out the best in from me, I am successful. To the extent I am doing it, overcoming the barriers internal to me and external, I am successful. So the focus and the actual bringing out the best in me is success for me.
That was a really nice answer. So thank you so much. We should all, take. We should all learn from that. Success has to come from within. So, sir, like in the book, the last page, I read the book, and at the last page it says that we can expect the second part. So we are eagerly waiting for us. When can we expect the second part, sir?
Oh, actually, now as I told you, now the kids review. Both of them actually I haven't met, and they have given their own views, and it is encouraging. And also the publisher Ika also, they must also find it. The how the feedback is there in the sales front and all that. Certainly, I will come up. Hopefully, I will look forward to it, and it will be a different thing with the same thing, with the same backdrop. It will take it to another level. Hopefully, certainly.
We are very eagerly waiting it for, sir. Let's hope it's soon. We have two very young student with us, and you said you want to inspire people to read at least, and become writers as well. So I was just wondering, like, for most people, writing is very stressful. We don't find the time, or we don't have ideas. What would your tips for these aspiring writers be?
Actually, I think I already shared in the group. If any aspiring writer is there, I will again repeat it only. See, so you are there, Smriti.
Yes,
you have seen a film already. Let us say Chiranjeevi film. So I am trying to make a remake of it, stealing here and there, and I am putting another film. You will easily find out. And even you may not be able to watch it fully, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I don't want anybody to do. Please don't bring out duplicates. Bring out originals. And don't write stories you won't yourself like to read. Write stories you would love to read. The stories I write are the stories I would love to see on print. I would love to see in any anthology. Confidently, I will say. So let us write the stories we would love to read. That is the only sentence I will say. Let us bring out originals. Never any duplicate. You bring out your original ideas in a whole new way. No, neither in form or content. We must not be impressioned, or the impression of the great authors we have read must not be there. It must be all original from us, and it must be unique. That's what I will say. We must strive for it. That's what I can.
Yes, sir. Most of us will. Yes, sir. I think all of us will will really try to strive for something unique and something that's really talks about us. So can we can we ask you to read a passage from your book, sir?
Sure, certainly.
Thank you.
Probably I will start from the same page where Mugilan stopped. Okay, then. Karthik was done. He went to the beach and sat down. The bicycle became smaller to match his height when seated, and started to tell Karthik how it got magical powers. Do you remember Lord Muruga temple on a hill near Chennai that you visited? There, long ago, a magician well versed in tantric rituals kept a small string of copper on the feet of Lord Muruga and performed tantric puja and homam to get magical powers from Muruga for the string. For several months, he did the prayers. The purpose of his making the string of magical powers was to tie it to the king's throne so that the throne can talk to him, guide the king, and the magical power of the metal string will help him live invisibly to the place of his choice. Before the priest could complete the puja, the kingdom got invaded. The priest resisted the enemy forces' entry into the temple, so they killed him. By chance, on the previous day, the string had turned magical. Fearing all the enemies, the priest had tied this to the spear of Lord Muruga, which stood near the entrance, and Dwajastamba. Fine enough.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Before I open it for Q&A for the rest of the group, I have just one more question to ask you, sir. So, sometimes writing is emotional. So, how do you deal with the emotional impact of writing a book and getting it out to the public?
Actually, this is a misadventure I think a writer cannot afford. Getting emotional while writing. That's what I will say. Or I will say, I will again repeat, I am not preaching anything. This is my personal view and my personal experience. This is a norm I have kept for myself. No emotion when I write. But when I edit, when I re-edit, I almost shed tears. At that stage, I get emotional. Not while writing. While writing, I am fully focused on the next chapter, the theme, the chapter scheming.
Okay.
It is very
Thank
stressful.
you.
Actually, I will say one thing I can say. While you are ideating, when the spark is developing into a theme within for months together, at that stage it is stressful. But still, we cannot afford to get emotional. That's what I can say.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, Arun sir had a question for you. He said, Arun sir, do you want to ask the question?
Don't mind, but I have a couple of questions. If it is okay.
Go ahead, sir.
Yes, sir.
First,
Yes,
I have
sir.
one question. Sir, to which age group I suggest this book?
Sir, as I mentioned, sir, around 8 to 11, 8 to even 12 or 13, sir.
Okay, fine. So I will wait
About
for.
that, yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, I will ask questions later once other people ask. I keep asking him. That will be better.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Anybody else?
Yeah, I have a question, Smriti.
Yes.
Murli sir, this will be in English only, or you will translate this?
Sir, actually, yeah, you are correct, sir. It has come in Tamil also. But in Tamil, it has come it is coming in POD, not with a major publisher. It is coming in Tamil also.
Oh, it is going to come?
It has come in Tamil. It is coming with one Notion press of POD, not with a major publisher or with major launch and all that. Because now I find it difficult to focus on two languages. So now I am completely working only on English.
Okay. Right. I should commend you on this book. Like Smriti was saying, it is difficult to write to children. It's very, very difficult. It's a huge market out there. I believe it's easier to write book for adults than writing a book for children. So,
There are certainly many things for the children, sir.
okay, thank you, sir.
Does anybody else have a question?
Smriti, this is
Hello?
Lavanya. I
Yeah.
don't have any question, sir, but I just wanted to congratulate Muralidharan sir.
Thank you, Lavanya.
My voice, I just wanted to tell, I heard your thoughts, why you chose to write for children, and that is absolutely commendable. I loved it. I think as authors, we should not leave the children out. There are so many things that going in today's world where we have to educate our children. And having a teenage daughter myself, I sometimes find it very difficult to tell her certain things. So, excellent. I love the way you put forward your thoughts about children and why we should attend, children. Other than that, just for the knowledge of everyone, I mean, I guess by now everyone knows Muralidharan sir, but I just wanted to add that Muralidharan sir has a different writing style altogether. He is very subtle when it comes to adult stories. I mean, I haven't read his children literature, his book as of now. I have to read it and then comment about it. But when it comes to stories for adults and all, he's very subtle. He has this unique way of bringing out the emotions of the characters in a very different way. I feel that very commendable about Muralidharan. Once again, congratulations, and I hope this book does very.
Thank you, Lavanya.
Thank you, Lavanya. Arun sir, you had few questions?
Yeah. Before that, Murli sir's younger brother has written something about Murli sir on chat. You can please read that.
Yes, I can see it. I am actually waiting to use that at the end. It's really lovely, and it not just shows brotherly love, but it also shows us about Murli sir. So,
yeah, even I was supposed to read it. Yeah, but I shall leave it to you.
Let Smriti read it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Parthasarathy sir, if you want to say this, I mean, in your voice, it'll mean more, sir, than mine. So we would want you to read what you have written for us, if that's not too much of a bother. You're on mute, sir. You'll have to unmute yourself.
Yeah, sure. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. I am his younger brother. Being very close to him, I should confess that I am not his fan. I am, I am a distant admirer. I got opportunity to read only few of his books. I took retirement only recently. I know that he is a great reader, a great writer, both reader and writer. I will find time to read his books. I want to be honest, but what I wrote is not flattery, it is a fact. He is a born writer. He is a born writer, and he has got his recognition only now. And being a central government servant, he was very subdued. He did not write much. So in the past 10 years only he is making efforts. And if you permit me, I will show my mother. She cannot talk in English. She understands, but you please allow her to speak in Hindi. She is very fluent in Hindi or Tamil. Which one you prefer?
Hindi.
Wow, that would be our privilege to listen to her. Please, any language.
She is a great
any
language.
Hindi better. Hindi better.
She is a professor in Hindi. I will tell about her also. She is a proud mother of 4 kids. All the 4 are distinct in different ways. I don't want to tell you that story, but she was a single mother. She brought up us alone, and she took care of a husband who deserted her at his old age also. She is very kind person and most honorable person. So you cannot interact with her because she has hearing issues. I will ask her to tell what she feels about Muralidharan in Hindi.
Sure, sir. It will be a pleasure, sir.
Now, over to my mother. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Is she visible?
Yes, she is visible.
She is visible.
Yeah, I will just show the mic.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste. I am proud of my son. मेरी उम्र है 86 है, मैं बहुत बूढ़ी हूँ, मगर इतने बच्चों के बाद मेरे बेटे को इस स्थिति में पाकर मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई है। उसे मेरा शुभाशीष। और मैं कुछ बातें इस समय याद करती हूँ। साधारण परिवार में पैदा हुआ, वो अपनी नौकरी के लिए भी अखबार घर में हम नहीं खरीदते थे, वो अखबार को कठिन अखबार पढ़कर उसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट पढ़कर पोस्ट करने के लिए दूर टाउन को उसने अपने किया। अपने SSLC मार्क्स पर वो साधारण नौकरी में गवर्नमेंट जॉब में एंटर हो गया, मगर धीरे 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 उसने पढ़कर बड़े अच्छी पोजीशन में वो हुआ। इसका अर्थ है आगे बढ़ने का वो वेग वो उसे हमारे परिवार से मिला, कहाँ से मुझे नहीं मालूम, मगर एक मनुष्य उन्नति करना है तो उसका उद्वेग के मन में अपने आप आएगा तो वो उन्नति करेगा। उसका उदाहरण मुरलीधरन है, उसका नाम भी हमने नहीं लिखा। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है, कोई इंटरव्यू के लिए आता आया और मुझसे कहते बिना उसका नाम मुरलीधरन कर दिया, तो मैंने स्वीकार का जो नाम रखा है अच्छा है, किसी तरह उसका नाम भी और किसी ने क्या रख दिया। एक बात हमारे परिवार में एक बात नहीं, हम सब मिलजुल कर परिवार की बातों में सब मिलजुल कर ही परिवार चलाते थे। साधारण परिवार था, मगर गरीबी का अर्थ नहीं है अच्छा भोजन। हमारे परिवार में आदत है खाना पकाने में, तरकारियाँ तैयार करने में हम अनुभव है, मगर इससे बढ़कर कोई सुविधा की बात हमें नहीं है। फिर भी इन सब के आगे वो बढ़ गया। मुझे बहुत संतोष है, मुझे आशीष देती हूँ का यह लिखना समाज के लिए अच्छे अच्छे संदेश, वो समाज की भलाई के लिए वो अच्छे अच्छे संदेश सुना दो। मैं नेवर फेल फ्रेंड्स आर दे, अंग्रेजी में कहावत है। हमारे दोस्त थे, धोखा न देने वाला दोस्त है। हम कंबर से बोल सकते हैं, एक से बोल सकते हैं, हमसे बोल सकते हैं। उसका एक अध्यापक ने 9th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ते समय उसके अध्यापक ने उसे एक लाइब्रेरी में बिठाया और कहा अंग्रेजी में पढ़ो, उसके जरिए कुछ सीखो। मैं इसलिए अच्छी ये बातें पढ़ती हूँ कि पुस्तकें पढ़ने की आदत कुछ वर्षों में गायब हो गई। वो नहीं चाहिए, स्कूल के चिल्ड्रन को पुस्तक पढ़ने की आदत होनी चाहिए। अपने लिए जो इच्छुक पुस्तक है उसे पढ़ें। एक स्कूल में उसके लिए एक टाइम देते थे और रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करते थे। वो लड़का पुस्तक पढ़कर अपने विचार लिखते थे। ऐसा भी एक स्कूल अच्छी आदत ऐसा होना चाहिए। और मैं कहना चाहती हूँ, मुरलीधरन की इस उन्नति में मेरी बहू का बहुत मैं क्या कहूँ, मेरी बहू आनंद कारण है, क्योंकि परिवार में ये हमेशा लिखता रहेगा। ऐसे परिवार चलाने में उसे बहुत कठिनाइयाँ हो सकती है, मगर वो बहुत होशियार है। किसी तरह उसके सहयोग से आज मुरलीधरन की स्थिति में आया है। उन दोनों को मेरा शुभ आशीष। तमिल के जयकांत ने कहा है कि समाज से ही हमारे लिए संदेश मिलते हैं। हम जिस समाज में रखते हैं उस समाज से ही हमें प्रेरणा मिलती है। इसलिए साहित्य समाज के लिए वो शक्ति है, ऐसा कहा है। मैं मुरलीधरन को कहना चाहता हूँ, हिंदी में प्रेमचंद उनका की कहानियाँ उनका लेख इतने अच्छे हैं कि भारत के दूर दूर गांवों में रहने वाले गरीबों के लिए उन्होंने जो कुछ लिखा है उसे पढ़कर मेरे मन में बहुत, वो लिखने से एक लेखक लिखकर वो वास्तविक को समाज को सुना सकता है। इसी तरह इसके लिए मुरलीधरन अपनी से उसे क्या सकता हूँ, अच्छा नाम पाने के लिए, अच्छी पुस्तकें भेजने के लिए कलम न चला दे, अच्छे आदर्शों को बनाने के लिए वो लिखे और उसके कारण दुनिया को अच्छी समाचार मिले। बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया।
Thank you, madam. Thank you for the time. I didn't expect she also speaks extempore.
Wow.
Maybe
Wow.
some
What a
creativity came
session.
in that.
What a session.
And my father is also equally creative. He was running a magazine in those years, spending all his money,
Thank you,
spending all his
ma'am.
money on magazines. So both parents were very creative. So he is the only representative of creativity in our family. The other three we have not made it big. So again, congratulations to you, Muralidharan. Do I have any questions, madam? Should I answer any questions?
Sir, I mean, we always, like Murli sir is in our group and we always feel really blessed to have his thoughts. And today, from, from auntie listening to her, we are very, very, like, खुशकिस्मती कहते हैं ना हमें, like we are feeling like that. We are feeling very proud, very honored to hear
Yeah.
from someone so inspiring. So, yeah. Anybody, any questions for Murli sir or his family?
So I want to share one thing. Actually, 10 years back, she gave Valmiki Ramayan, Kamba Ramayan, Tulasi Ramayan, all original books to him.
Okay.
The Sanskrit version, Hindi version, and the Tamil version. He got everything. He prepared it for 10 years. He sat over it for 10 years, and he recently published his analysis in Tamil. It is really wonderful, really. Maybe for believers, it may appear like kind of blasphemy, but those who really love literature, they will appreciate it. So it's a wonderful book. I read it. That is the only book I have read, and I really want to read all other his books. Only thing I don't find time to buy. So whenever he starts a copy, I will read it. So this one I read. Yeah. This one I bought one. This one also I bought on Amazon. He told me, and I bought on Amazon. But really, I don't have time to read. Recently, I am engaged in some other work, so I will find time to read. And this her request about translating that Premchand's short stories in Tamil or English, I think he can seriously think of it. Lot of social messages on that. Thank you very much for the time.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. I thank you all for your time. That's what I can say. I didn't expect it. I had told my brother, actually, because he wants to call me also, I may not be available. But actually, he found time, and my mother also found time. Okay, very happy. And thank you all for your time.
Thank you so much, sir. Like it's a great pleasure to have all of you on the call. Anybody else who has any questions? Anybody who has any questions or comments?